showing you the movie app I built using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This app uses the OMDb API to fetch the movie data. Let's take a look at the functionality and features of the website before diving the code. Here the homepage of our movie app. At the top you can see a navigation bar with a different menu option, home, movie, comedy, and series, and our favorite button. This makes it easy to switch between category or view the movie you are marked as the favorite. All this data is fetched dynamically from OMDb API. Here you can log in, and here this is called data request through parameters, search and title. So you can fetch it, search IMDb API. So all the data is fetched dynamically from IMDb API. Now next, if we look at main section, if we look at the main section, you will notice a search box where you can type the movie name, I type Surya. So you will see the search result appear below with the posters like title and year. They match the search term. Then I click on any of the search result, a detailed view of movie pop up. Display more information like its genre, writer, actor, poster, year, and so on. If I click on add to favorite, then some pop up. No, this movie title name is already your favorite. So if this or then assign favorite. Then I click on any of the search result, a detailed view of the movie pop-ups. Display more information like its genre, awards, cast, plot, and so on. All this data is fetched by OMDb API. Next, let's look at the favorite button. And I can click on add to favorite and save the movie my favorite list. You can access this list by clicking on favorite button in the menu navbar. It's a great way to keep track of movie you watch to anytime. And we have a few trending sections like trending movie, comedy, and series. Movie, trending comedy, trending series. As you can see, the website has a clean layout with nicely organized section, make it easy for user to navigate and explore different movies. Let's jump to the code. We'll start the header section, which include a navigation bar for mobile screen and desktop. This is drop-down list for mobile screen and horizontal menu for desktop. Next section for search container and search result will appear here. Next main content where favorite movie section, all favorite movies show here, movie list section, and next movie poster we will be display here, footer for copyright reserve, and this is listener scroll function. Next style CSS, here all styling for CSS, bars for bar, this is bars for mobile screen view. This to mobile screen, and that's the top view, no style, no list style, horizontal list, you don't have manual line. This is for maximum with 782 pixel for iPad and mobile screen 600 pixel. Container, search container result, search element, and all CSS. Search item, thumbnail, search element for both screen, desktop, and mobile, and including iPad. Movie title, movie title, genre, plot, language, about, and all of CSS here for photo, grid, result, favorite movie, favorite grid, row poster, trending, row movie banner, moving for all, movie, title row, poster width, height, drop down, red head button, favorite button, and photo. Next, JavaScript code. Here you saw search movie list. This is get element by ID from HTML code and its constant name, movie search box, search list, result grid, result grid, and favorite container. How data fetch from OMDb API. This is link from API key and fetching this website. If data search equal to true, then data show, all data show here, and find movie, this function for finding movie. And after show this in search container, hide search list, show movie list. Here if image not found, then image not found PNG. And this is movie poster, movie get ID, title get from IMDb API. And video. This is all about search container that fetch all movies from OMDb API. Next for favorite movie, add to favorite movie here. We add in local storage, not in database and any MongoDB. No, this is only temporary list on my local storage. We have a feature to save favorite movie as well. The add favorites function is called when the user click and the add to favorite button. It stores the movie data in the browser local storage and alert the user that have the movie has been added their favorites. Showing favorite movie to view all favorite movie. We have to show favorite function. It reads the movie data from local storage, create HTML element for each favorite movie and display then create element with format. This allows user to see collection of movies they have marked as a favorite and all favorite item append. This is window at event listener. If I click on lastly, we have section like trending, top rated, movie, comedy, and series. For each section, we make a separate API request to test data for trending movies in the category and then display the details on the web page. This is for series. And